Change is all about flexibility. Replacing the proven SD110BA, this new soil compactor SD110C from Volvo offers the flexibility to adapt to any application. It is fast, it is powerful, and it is efficient. The SD110C is designed to deliver maximum success and profitability to your projects, while also meeting the latest emissions standards with its reliable VECV engine and advanced emission technologies. Optimized for productivity with variable frequency of 0 to 30 Hz and dual amplitude, the higher centrifugal force makes it the fastest soil compactor in India. This one-of-a-kind compactor comes with an optional drum drive for the irrigation segment. Every operator would love to be in one of these, as the PU steering wheel providing a better grip, sliding seat and armrest provides better ergonomics. The 4.3-inch LCD display monitor makes it super easy to use and diagnose problems. The heavy-duty split design sunshade offers operator protection, and the operator presence switch stops the machine in case the operator is not in the seat. The SD110C soil compactor from Volvo is one machine that is built for your happy operators.